In today's video, we will cover how to set a custom password for Okta users using Users API collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to try those steps in a test environment first. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click the Run in Postman button next to the user's collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the user's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, you will need to set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. Prepare the Set Password API call by copy-pasting the user ID from the Okta admin console and adding the desired password. Then click Send. The response received will be a 200 OK. This way, Okta admin can set a custom password for Okta users. Thank you for watching. Check out our Okta support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.